Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're gonna unbox and take a look at the brand new Matchbox Globe Traveler series. Let's start out with my absolute favorite in the series. It's the green Audi R8. From front to back, this R8 is perfection thanks to its unique green color and white striping. Along the side, we have some special white wheels, R8 logos, and a 65 for the Matchbox anniversary. The rear also features incredible details such as a Matchbox World license plate. Our second car in the Globe Traveler series is also an absolute beauty. It's the classic Ford GT40. Located on the orange striped front hood of this stunning GT40 is the famous Golf logo. Taking a look at the side, we've got the racing number 9 and some retro orange wheels that shine with rubber tires. Out back, we've got stylish and detailed exhaust pipes to finish off this classic. The third car is a popular Matchbox favorite. It's the police car Lamborghini Guyardo. This police Lamborghini has a Matchbox World Tour emblem right between its sharp headlights. On the body of this Gallardo, we have the Metro 510 police tampos and black rims with blue accent. Onto the back, it's outfitted with red tail lamps and a fitting police bumper. Up next, we have the very cool black Mini Cooper S Cabriolet. This little Mini Cooper packs a punch with its round headlights and World Tour logo on the hood. Along the side, we've got some unique bronze rims with red trim that really set this car apart. Towards the rear, this casting features fully detailed taillights and logos which complete this mini model. The next vehicle in the Globe Traveler series is a little bit bigger. It's the orange Land Rover Defender 110. The Land Rover's pumpkin orange color looks great with the aggressive black bumper on the front of this tank. On the body, we've got some striping and metal pattern along with Matchbox and Land Rover logos. The back end features a spare tire, which you can expect from an off-roader like this. And the final Globe Traveler is another off-road vehicle. It's the Jeep Wrangler. The front end of this Jeep really highlights the round headlamps poking through the grille. This vehicle is the only one outfitted in silver wheels which fit the off-roading rubber tires. Now looking at the back, we've got a solid model overall that's ready to hit the trails. So there we have all of the new Matchbox Globe Travelers vehicles, and in my opinion, these are some of the best Matchbox toys ever made. Leave me a comment down below with your favorite model in the set, and if you want to see more unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.